Hello everyone. We are manufacturing microtome since 1975. This is radical sliding microtome, model RMT45. Today I will be showing you the working of sliding microtome. Starting from the top, razor holding tightening knob. It is used to loose and tight the razor holder assembly. The razor holder assembly consists of razor clamp and screws for razor mounting. This assembly has a forward and backward movement on sledge. Here we have vernier scale for razor angle adjustment. At bottom, we have level adjustment knob for leveling the microtome in case the working table is not stable. This is specimen holder. To mount the specimen, mount this specimen holder to the voice and tighten it with the voice tightening lever. At bottom, we have the height adjustment lever for voice to feeding the specimen with the relevance of the knife. At bottom we have micron scale used to adjust the section trimming and section cutting thickness. Unscrew the micron scale lock knob with the help of this adjusting knob. Adjust the micron value and re-engage the microtome lock pin. Microtome locking pin or lever. It works with this knurling knob. It disengage and engage the locking lever with the central major gear. For manual feeding, you have to engage the microtome lock pin and you can use manually for single sectioning like this. This will bring the specimen manually up and you can have sections manually. Crank gear has the mechanism for auto feeding. When the microtome lock lever is engaged with the central major gear. Now if the specimen reaches on the top last position, you have to disengage and rotate it in anti-clockwise to bring it back to its initial position. For the maintenance of the microtome, use the oil provided on the parts having the screws, including the sledge. These are the points where you have to put the oil when it is not in use. And while using the sledge, you can put a drop of oil for a smooth movement. In case there is rust on the microtome body, you can use any of the petroleum oil like petrol or diesel, and you can clean that rusted part by pouring some drops on the cloth and rub it, and after that you can apply oil, either grease, to that point so that it will not become rusty. And to keep it dust free, you have to cover with the provided dust cover. You should cover it and keep it like this. And in case for long time storage, you can apply little grease on this crank gear and apply the oil to the mentioned points, and you can store it for a long period when not in use. Hope I have cleared all the parts. Thank you very much for watching the video.